Okay, let's see if the posties come today. No. Wait a sec. Oh, hi guys, how you going? It's quite a wet day here in Bendigo, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to do a box opening of my new satellite phone. So we just received the satellite phone today, and we also separately received the satellite SIM card. This is just going to be a short video, just to sort of show you what's in the box. I'm going to do a second one where I'll actually explain how to use it, what research I did, why I chose the phone that I did choose. So make sure that you subscribe to OZLAPN, and that way you can be sure that you'll find out what's going on. So let's have a look inside the box. What is in the box? Okay, so we've got our ready, reliable, robust IsatPhone 2. Now it says IsatPhone 2, but in fact it's a 2.1. So if you're looking at a phone, make sure you get the latest version, which is the 2.1. So what do we get in the box? So out of the box we get the quick start guide and getting started information. We've got the car charger, we've got the phone minus its battery, we've got its battery, USB cable to connect, earphones. Now with the power charger, because these are sold worldwide, you get your choice of different clip-ons. Obviously I'm using the Australian one here. You get your carry string, you get your holster for when you're actually walking, and with the holster you get this holster clip so that it can actually clip onto your belt. And also, I thought it was just a key ring, but if you actually pull it apart, it's actually USB. So you'll be able to download and keep information on your USB on your keyring holder. So that's about it. As I said, I ended up getting my SIM card separately, and that's here. But what I want to do is put it together, get it charged up, get it activated, and I'll do a second video on why I picked this phone, why I picked the satellite that I'm actually using, how much it's going to cost, and all the perks. Yeah, so it should be good. Okay, so subscribe to OZLAPN and ring the bell and all that sort of stuff. Like this video, share it with your friends who might be interested in getting a sat phone, and I should be putting this second video up, I'd say within a couple of weeks. Okay, look after yourselves guys. See ya.